I walk 1 hour now. I just go up, I run up, and I hope that my sacrifice is worth of that shot. Oh my god! Wild pigs. Hey, hey. It's a little one. They have a babies. Oh my god, so cute. Hey baby. And there is a father. Hey man, nice family. Alright guys, like you see that video, today's video will be a little bit different. We're going to the wild and look this guys. Why people cut the trees? Like why? Today I wanna test and I wanna prove one thing. What really cinematic video mean? Cinematic video, that sounds really bad. Like how video can be cinematic? Video. Are you going to cinema watch the videos? No, you go to cinema watch the movie. Yeah, movie. If something have to be cinematic, that have to be a movie. Movie, not video. Not short. Not this fucking vertical shit. It have to be horizontal and it have to be like a movie. And I'm gonna film today only with the one camera, and I set up that camera on easiest possible settings. You know which settings I mean? Full auto. Everything what you see today in my video, it's filmed in the full auto 25 FPS. To do this as simple as possible and it's good at the same time. And I don't want to have this like a fake, like super over color grading, high contrast, motion blur with the ND filters, whatever filters. No, today, now I'm going somewhere to the wild. We are in the Beskid Mountains in Poland, and we are in the a great forest, Wielka Puszcza. There is a few nice streams. We have small waterfalls, rivers, mountains, of course. And I don't plan anything. I think this will be my first spot today. I walk 1 hour now. I just go up, I run up, and I hope that my sacrifice is worth of that shot. Oh, I think this is my spot. I'm gonna sit here, and of course it's wet. So what? Oh, the place is insane. Avata 2 here, in all the settings set on auto, no ND filter, ultrawide and RockSteady. Goes on. It starts to be really windy. Let's switch to manual mode.